Sissy, I want you to know how proud I am to stand next to you today at your wedding. You have chosen a husband and now brother for me, who I admire and respect. To Abe, I appreciate how you care for PETA, one of the most important people in my life.
Ibro, really, honestly, man, you're an incredible human being with a great head on your shoulders, and I can't wait to see where you'll be in 5 years. You've been an amazing friend to me. You guys even flew out to Arizona to meet my family and myself for the first time, and as you know, our children absolutely love you guys.
Everyone, please raise your glasses and join me in a toast to the happy couple, Maida and Ibro. Here's to the next chapter. Cheers.
For the first year that Abe and Maida were together, they grew their relationship from a distance of over 1,100 miles, which is roughly the distance between Denver and Detroit. And that equated to about 36 flights between the two of them. And seeing the happiness that they bring out in each other every single day that they're together, it comes as no surprise, this level of dedication that they have.